This Puerto Rican style rice with shrimp is such an easy, wonderfully delicious weeknight meal that comes together in just 30 minutes. We'll start in a pan with our achiote oil, or you can use regular oil if that's all you've got, and we'll add our sofrito. I'm using these sofrito ice cubes that I had in the freezer, they're so convenient. And then we're also adding some sazon seasoning here. And we're just gonna saute everything until the sofrito becomes nice and fragrant, and then we're ready to add our rice. We wanna toast the rice and get it evenly coated so all of those individual granules of rice are coated with the oil and the flavors from the sofrito and the sazon. This just results in a super flavorful and fluffy end result. And after that's toasted for about a minute, we can add our broth and our peas and turn the heat all the way up, bringing everything to a boil. And once it reaches a boil, we can lower it, cover it, and cook for about 15 minutes. Now, while this is cooking, we're going to prep our shrimp. So I've got some melted butter and some sazon seasoning here that I'm mixing together to create kind of a paste, a seasoning sauce, and we're gonna coat our shrimp with this. Make sure that every shrimp has a good layer of that buttery seasoning on it. And you can use, make sure that your shrimp is deveined, but you can use peeled or unpeeled shrimp. It really doesn't make a huge difference other than the cook time. So at this point, our rice is almost fully cooked, and we're going to add that seasoned shrimp to the pan, fluff it in really well, and then we're going to cover it and continue to cook on that low heat for about 5 minutes. And like I said earlier, if your peel is on the shrimp, it might take a few minutes longer. Just watch your shrimp, and when they are opaque and pink, they should be fully cooked. You can, grab a shrimp, open it up, and make sure it's fully cooked before you take it off the heat, and then you're ready to enjoy. I like serving this with a little sprig of cilantro and lots of fresh lime juice. I am just obsessed with this method of cooking the shrimp because it comes out perfectly juicy and tender every time. It's never overcooked, and it comes together in 30 minutes. So enjoy, buen provecho.